So, how does it compare to its predecessor, the DP2000e series? Well, size-wise, the width and height match the DP2000e series, with the depth of the radio varying depending on the battery capacity of choice, as the larger milliamp hour, the larger the battery, and thus greater the depth of the radio. In terms of overall weight, when used with a 2,200 milliamp hour battery, the R5 is approximately 5 grams heavier when comparing with similar battery capacity on the DP2000e series, making the R5 285 grams. Battery life sees an increase for the R5 when based off a 5590 duty cycle. The 2,400 milliamp hour battery on the DP2000e radio was getting 22 hours, whereas a 2,400 milliamp hour battery on an R5 is getting up to 24 hours. For reference, a 5590 duty cycle is how the manufacturer conducts testing of their batteries, and meaning when used at 5% transmit, 5% receive, and 90% standby, the battery can receive X amount of hours of use. As for channels and zones, we also have an increase in channel capacity on the R5 limited keyband, going from 128 channels on the DP2600E to 256 channels across 50 possible zones on the R5 limited keypad. The upgraded display for the R5 limited keypad sees a 1.5-inch monochrome display, which can be programmable as either 2 or 3 line display, enabling more information to be visible to the radio user. The DP2600E has a similar screen size, but is only a 2-line monochrome display.